So you got yourself a DJI Action 4 or maybe an Action 3, and you're looking for the best accessories to make it even easier to use. Well, as I was sitting here looking through my accessories, I noticed that the ones I use the most often are all made by the same company. So yes, I'm going to be giving this company a massive shout out and showing you my top 5 accessories for the DJI Action 4 and Action 3. Let's start with number 1. So the cage that comes with your Action 4 or Action 3 is okay as a free supplied basic cage. It will protect your camera against light bumps and knocks. But if you're using your action camera a lot like I do, then you need something a little bit more tougher and more heavy duty. And this is the cage that I use and absolutely love. This is the Telsin Metal Rabbit cage for your Action 3 or Action 4. Coming in at 55 grams and made from aluminium alloy, it really adds the next level of protection to your camera. Installing the action camera into the cage is as simple as undoing the buckle, opening up the side door and sliding your action camera into the cage. Not only do we get the added protection from this cage, we also get 2 cold shoe mounts, one on the top and one on the side of the cage. It also doesn't add to the bulkiness of the camera and in my opinion looks absolutely fantastic. It retains a magnetic clip system as used on the Action 3 and Action 4, both on the bottom and on the side. We also get an additional 1/4 inch mount screw on the side of the camera, which is a nice added bonus. Another thing worth mentioning is the buttons when using the supplied case, which can be quite stiff and hard to press on and off. When using the Telsin case, both the on and off button and record start and stop button are not covered up with additional buttons, which means they're easier to press and operate. My second recommendation is this handle, also by Telsin. Now this handle looks like any other generic handle, maybe just a little bit wider, but this has one super hidden feature that's going to blow you away. If we take a look at the back of the handle, you'll notice that it comes supplied with a coiled USB-C cable, and the handle comes with this really nice rubberized texture. Mounting our action camera is as simple as any other handle by using the magnetic system with the DJI camera. And now for the secret feature built into this handle, we plug in the USB-C cable into the USB-C port on the action camera, and the handle now becomes a power bank for our action camera. But not just any power bank, this is a massive power bank. Give you some idea of how much power this handle can hold. The standard DJI Action 4 batteries have a capacity of 1770 mAh, which can give us a record time of up to 160 minutes. But this Telsin battery handle has a capacity of 10,000 mAh, which gives us the potential of a record time of 15 hours. Yes, you heard that right, 15 hours of record time. Now all we need to do is source a large SD card. Charging the handle is very easy just by removing the rubber plug at the base of the handle. This exposes a USB-C port for easy charging. On the opposite side of the handle we get a power on and off button. We can also use this to see how much power we have left in the handle. The great thing about using this handle to power your action camera is you don't need to look for a power outlet or spare batteries for 3 or 4 days use with it, which is absolutely fantastic when you're travelling and you're not sure when you're going to be able to charge your equipment up. The other great thing about this handle, which I've not mentioned also, is the fact it also has a hidden selfie stick feature built into it. By simply pulling on your camera upwards, our selfie stick extends from the handle up to a length of 90 centimeters, which again is very impressive. Now we don't have to use this power bank handle just for action cameras. I use it to power my Sony mirrorless cameras, my audio recorders, my lighting, or anything else that can be powered by a USB-C cable. And my third recommendation is the Telsin neck mount for your action camera, and this is one of them accessories that you don't think you need, but when you buy one, you can't imagine how you got by without it. It is absolutely fantastic. On the rear of the neck mount is a button that disconnects one of the sides. Simply loop it round your neck and reconnect it, and away you go. Connecting the Action 4 to the neck mount is as simple as attaching the magnetic clip to it and then snapping on your action camera. Now, what makes this Telsin neck mount so good compared to some of the other neck mounts that are on the market is the neck band, which is mouldable to the contours of your body. So once you've placed the neck mount onto yourself, you bend the shape of the band to your collarbones, your neck and the shape of your chest. This then stops our camera from potentially rotating or bouncing whilst it's mounted. Coming from a standard action camera chest mount, this neck mount is so much simpler, quicker and easier to use. It definitely gets my recommendation. My fourth recommendation is the Telsin Pocket Light, which has helped me out massively in the past, not just with action cameras but with all sorts of filming and recording. It comes supplied with a pre-installed rechargeable battery which can last up to 3 hours, and also comes with a cold shoe mount which we can mount to either the bottom or the side of the light. We can then use this cold shoe mount to slide it into the cage on our action camera. To turn the light on, all you have to do is hold in the power button for 2 seconds, and you can change the temperature of the light by rotating the bottom dial, or by pressing the bottom dial we get to change the RGB colour of our light into anything we want. And by rotating our top dial, this adjusts the brightness. We also get 12 creative light effects which include paparazzi, firework, faulty light bulb, TV, lightning, party, pulsing, cop car, ambulance, fire truck, flame or SOS. And as already shown, if you partner up this light with the power bank handle, you get a portable, super bright video and photography light that's perfect for any situation. My fifth and final recommendation is this Telsin mini tripod, and as you're going to see, this small little tripod works perfectly with all the other products that I've recommended today. We can mount it onto the bottom of the power bank handle via the 1/4 inch screw, and now we can use our equipment completely hands-free with the knowledge that it's not going to fall over. But what makes this mini tripod so special and unique, even if you don't have the Telsin power bank handle and you use a standard selfie stick when you're recording, the way this mini tripod folds up on itself means it doesn't take up hardly any additional space in your pocket. Let me show you what I mean. By rotating the collar on our mini tripod, the legs on this tripod now fold upwards and close in around our selfie stick, minimising the space required to store it away. Very nicely done, Telsin. Opening up the tripod again is as simple as pulling the legs down and then rotating the collar into the lock position. Because this tripod is made from a metal construction, it has no problem supporting heavier loads. I use it once again with my audio recording and supporting my camera setup. So there you have it, my 5 most used and 5 most recommended products for your DJI Action 4 or DJI Action 3. And what I like the most about all of these products is you can tell that Telsin are thinking about the way we use action cameras and how to expand the functionality of them, whilst also increasing the enjoyment we get from them. And the best thing about all these accessories are, they just work, and that's the most important thing. I'll leave links to all these products in the description and in the top pinned comment. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any more recommendations, please leave them in the comments below. But that's it for now, we'll catch up in the next video. See you soon everyone.